sometimes helpful, but when it comes to training, it's not necessarily ideal. That's why I plan to do it differently. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're trying to train yourself on you. It's a good tool indeed. I think it's the right choice for you if you have decided to train yourself on IO. However, for my part, I discovered that apparently as people kept doing trainings, others wouldn't follow. 90% of the people would buy them and did not form completely, or sometimes did not open them. So I plan to do accompanied coaching, and support when you're starting out can be very expensive, and that's not my goal. On the contrary, I'm focusing on the lantern. So beforehand, I select people, I look at what the person's project is. Do I think it's old? Then I offer him the support simply by choosing his device for my affiliate link for IO. I'm aiming for the long term because it brings in small commissions, but someone who will decide to carry out his project and who is really motivated to succeed in his project will stay in the long term because he will no longer leave. That's where I win, actually. I have confidence in what I do, confidence in the projects of the people I accompany. And so if you're interested, if instead of training yourself by watching tutorial videos without necessarily applying them, you prefer to go through the support training where we share your screen to work on your project concretely, answering your questions. Does that interest you? So you can simply click to be able to join me and discuss your project with me. We will decide if I am the right support for your project.